Mr. Jason Pritchard, you have an open action item from One Rental at a Time. Are you aware of this?
You're putting me on the spot here, man. Tell me what it is now. Now I'm
Now you're,
nervous, dude. Yeah,
oh, I like it. Oh, this may be my bad. I might be
yeah.
upset with you and it's entirely my fault. But let me share what I mean by your open action item. So this should look very familiar to you. I love your website, jasonpritchard.com. I loved it so much. I paid the guys that built yours to build mine. Does this look somewhat familiar?
That looks very familiar. It looks sharp, dude. I love it, man.
So thank you very much for your
Yeah,
introduction. Shout out to Adam Efron and the
Adam. Yeah,
team,
yeah.
putting this together. But I spent all this money, Jason, for one reason. I wanted to celebrate the millionaires that are a part of my channel. And I have sent notes. I think I have. If I missed you, it's all on me. And all I need is your bio, a picture, and recommended books. And so far, we don't
Done.
have
There it
from
is.
Jason Pritchard.
Well, here is my commitment to you guys today. Today, before this day is over, you will have all of the stuff that you need to get my name, bio, and all my recommendations up there today. Done. How about that?
And you can do your social media. Again, this is all for you. You can have your social media here. Anna doesn't have one by chance, but I'll pull up somebody that does. Again, this really is meant. I spent thousands of dollars because I wanted to make sure you guys had it. Who would have social? Let's see. I bet you she does. Yeah, so you can have your socials. This is your page. Make it your thing, right? Tell your story. Make it links to your website. The only thing I ask is you include recommendations of books, just so people can see, hey, this meant something to Jason. But yeah, this is important. This is why the site was there. So thank you very much.
You're welcome, man. I got you. Today, before the day's over, I got it all done.
Awesome. Take care. Thanks again, Jason.
Thanks.